I tried to call, or I tried calling.
A gerund is a verb that ends in ing but functions as a noun. An infinitive is the base form of a verb with a word to in front of it.
I want to learn Spanish. I tried buying a practice book. I also tried listening to podcasts in Spanish. We use try plus the gerund to describe using different approaches to reach a goal, or to do something as an experiment. In this case, the goal was to learn Spanish. The approaches are buying a book and listening to podcasts. Watch how the infinitive changes the meaning. I'm trying to learn English. Try plus the infinitive means an attempt to do something. We use it to talk about a goal we have. Here, learning English is the goal, not the methods or approaches we use to reach the goal. Can you fill in the blanks correctly to make this paragraph make sense? We also use try plus the gerund to do something as an experiment. For example, try drinking more water. Maybe you will feel better. We also use try in the past tense plus the infinitive to mean we attempted to do something but failed. Marlon tried to beat his brother at tennis. Let's practice. I'm trying to eat less sugar. Tell me about one of your goals in the comments.